I will take no part in this next part.
I think it's time to wake Jason up.
So we just got back from Walmart, and it's probably like one of our favorite places. We went and checked out this new store. It's called Fix and Feed. There's only 3 stores. It's family owned. It's in Quinlan, Texas. One of you guys actually tagged us on Facebook to go check it out. It's pretty cool.
It is.
But we rated the cheap stuff at Walmart.
There's this discount rack at Walmart, and it always has like discounted
Foods that are about to expire.
yeah. So we got some wraps, and we're gonna make some grilled chicken wraps today for lunch. We're gonna go get some lettuce out of the garden.
So let's go do that.
So let's go do that. So we kind of let our lettuce grow too big. Chicken Caesar wraps.
So we're gonna eat some of these wraps and watch some TV, and then I'm gonna get back to doing some editing.
So I just got home from work. It is time to go work out in the garden. So I just picked this banana pepper. Is this supposed to be purple? I don't know if it's just a different type or I don't know, but let us know in the comments below if it's supposed to look like this. Make some salsa with this. Our tomatoes are starting to come in, and soon we'll be able to pick them and make some fresh salsa from our garden. So it's pretty cool growing all your food out in your backyard. We got zucchini and squash on this side of me, different types of lettuce on this side, all these peppers that I just picked. Man, I'm looking forward to eating from the garden straight to the table. So last year we didn't have that much of luck with our zucchini and squash, but this year it is growing in like crazy. From this plant over here, this one's starting to grow out, over here, and then all the way back that way. So I've been growing okra and cucumber on the front porch. I kind of neglected them for the past week or so, but it's time to put them out in the garden. All right, so now I dug up the trench for all the cucumber. It's time to pull them out of the pot here and transplant them into the garden.
So we have this Chinese cabbage that didn't do so well, so I'm gonna feed the animals. Got some of this Chinese cabbage. Of course. We never really like to waste any food, and so since it went to flower too fast, we decided to skip the animals. We never could deal with it. We never grew that type Chinese cabbage before, and we probably won't do it again. I think it's just too hot here. So I think Jared's over here watering the garden and make sure everything's good.
All right, so we just got back in from the garden. As you saw earlier, Jaylena is over here eating some, what is that?
Hamburger helper.
She is eating hamburger helper, and look behind me. Jason's already asleep.
I will take no part in this next part.
I think it's time to wake Jason up. That ought to teach him.
Good morning, good morning. It's a new day. The rooster's crowing. Let's get it started. All right, so we're out here ready to feed everyone. And apparently you guys did not like my singing. People told me they want Jared back because Jared doesn't sing. So today I won't be singing. You bet, Baxter. The chicks are doing good. They're getting big, guys. Look at these. Getting pretty big. This little guy is super cool looking. We're not 100% sure what he's mixed with, but we're guessing it's a boy because the crown on his head. But those colors on there are just super cool. No eggs in here yet. No eggs. So as you guys saw, I just found this dead chicken in there. I'm not sure why it died. She doesn't look beat up. So I don't know if you guys follow us on like our family page and stuff. I just posted this morning about a chicken doing double yolks, and it's actually been doing it for a while, and I think it was this chicken. So I don't know, maybe if it had some problems passing an egg or something, I don't know, but it unfortunately didn't make it. Was not attacked by doesn't look like it was attacked by predators, so I'm not sure what's going on. So I'm not really sure what caused the death of the chicken. It was just under where they roost at night, and I don't know. Could have been, looks like natural causes, I guess. Maybe I didn't see any blood or any feathers ripped out. So it's just one of those unfortunate things that happens when you're trying to live this lifestyle. And it sucks for us because that was a high producer for eggs for us. But that's why we're trying to hatch more chickens and to have another cycle of chickens coming in. So it's unfortunate, but hopefully these guys down here will start laying some eggs soon. But I don't know, it's one of those unfortunate things. I think within, by the end of today, we're gonna collect the rest of our eggs to put in the incubator. Right now, I think we have like 14. And so whatever we get the rest of today, I'll put them in the incubator and we'll start that whole batch over again. Get some more chicks. These chicks in here are almost ready to come out. Our only issue is we don't want them to get out in the yard with the dogs. But that's why they're still in there. But we're gonna try to get them on the grass soon. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So since we're out here and it's needed to be done, I'm gonna clean up all this poo over here. It's where the chickens and turkey and stuff roost at night up there, and then they've been up there. So Jaylena just came out, and let's do some work.
There's an egg under there.
It's real soft.
Ew, is it?
Let me see. So you know earlier, this is gonna be my theory. That's where I found the chicken, right there this morning, as you guys saw. So maybe it did die from trying to lay an egg. Check this out.
So weird.
I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this egg is super soft, watch. See that? It's like the shell didn't harden. And this is where the chicken was, laying right there.
So we've seen on Instagram other people post videos of, or photos of their eggs real soft like that, but do you guys think that's possibly why the chicken died? Like because the egg was too soft?
I know a lot of you didn't like my singing when I fed the animals, but what about whenever I'm cleaning up? Clean up, clean. Just kidding. You gonna come help me or what, buddy? So that's a whole lot of poo-poo. Jaylena's over there getting that side. She just did the middle part. So we're gonna take a lot of this, take it out there, spread it out, take some to the garden, put it in our compost, and use what we got. Chickens lose it, we use it. And so we're gonna do that real quick. But I wanna give a shout out. Okay, look at this.
Oh, calm down, Stainer.
You trying to get in there, buddy, or what? Stainer's trying to get up in this wagon. But I want to give a...
He didn't have the camera on him.
Yeah, he's pretty jealous. Camera hog. Well, come on. Now he's happy. So as I was saying, I wanted to thank James Hightower. He came by and dropped off a whole bunch of tools. He's our neighbor up the street. He's got a YouTube channel going on, and he's gonna bring some hay to us, and dropped off some tools. He's helping out. His brother lives the street. He used to drive by our house all the time. Then he started finding us on YouTube, and it's just crazy small world out there. But I just wanted to give you a big shout out and thank you for these tools. It's helping out a lot. All right, buddy, you gotta get out. I gotta use this. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? First he went on top of it, now he's under it. I don't think he knows what's going on. I guess that's why Stainer's the star of the channel. I know a lot of our videos are real fun and we get to do stuff. This is part of the homesteading adventure stuff that we don't really show a whole lot because, I mean, who wants to watch people scoop poop? But this is the reality of it, is you gotta come out here, clean it up. With chickens, it's just constant poop. With ducks, it's constant poop. Turkeys, constant poop. And so that's just the reality of owning birds and goats and whatever, is just, there's a lot of poop to clean up. So don't think this is all fun and games if you are watching our stuff. But on that note, it's worth it. It's worth everything. You could use the poop for compost, and you know, we kind of spread it out there and it helps the grass grow and all that. So it's a huge trade-off. It's super awesome. And another thing is, guys, whenever we post something, like yesterday's video about the racism stuff, the lady that left the comment was super nice. We know she's not racist. She knows we're not racist. She just kind of was saying, just kind of joking, I know you guys probably won't like me because I'm black. You know, she basically said she's not your average black person, I guess is what she was trying to say. Was she's super country, she's the Darius Rucker, is what she said. And so, what are you doing? And so, that's all it was, guys. We were just making light of a situation that is really bad that we deal with in this country, and it's racism, and it's been around for a long time. We're at the point in our lives, in our country's lives right now, that we have to walk on eggshells, and we don't like that. We think it's crazy. We're not trying to beat around the bush or anything. So we brought this to light just to show you guys that, like, not everyone's racist. It doesn't matter what color you are, where you're from, what you like, what you don't like, unless you don't like different races. But we found out that most of our subscribers have the same sense of humor we do, and they said we've been racist for a long time, because I used to drive stock car, you know, race stock cars and stuff. So it was funny, it was great. Some people took it a little serious, some people, it just blew right over their head. Just know, it's not a big deal, guys, what we said. That person that posted the comment in the beginning, they're not racist. They don't think we're racist. It was just a joke, and it was a funny joke of, I ain't racist, I like all races. You know, we kind of made light of it. So we just want to say that, and you know, just don't take life too serious. Just, if they're good people, they're good people. I don't care what color of skin or where they're from. So we just wanted to address that real quick, and just don't take life too serious.
So you guys, just don't take life too seriously. You know, be like Stainer. He doesn't take life too seriously.
Because he's a good goat.
Like Jason, he don't take life too seriously. You saw his fresh cut from Jared, and he didn't say anything, so.
Fresh cut of what?
Your fresh cut. Take your hat off. Take it off. Take your hat off. Just do it. Okay, give me
There's
your hat.
nothing wrong.
No, touch the side of your head over here.
What?
Now go up. Does it not feel weird?
No.
Go look in the mirror. I cannot believe he didn't notice. Oh my gosh.
He shaved the side of my head. Were you in on this?
No.
Why do I not believe that?
I wasn't in on it.
But you knew it was happening?
What was I supposed to do? Jared don't listen. He's a child.
Well, he's lucky it wasn't down to the skin.
Well, it's real nice. Just leave it.
Mm-hmm. Well, since Jared cut my hair, it's payback time. So feel free to comment back below, because this will not be the end of this. So comment below what I should do to Jared, and normally I'd be like, hey, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button and all that stuff, but today I'm not sure how I feel. So you guys have to help me get him back. He will not get away with this. He's missing his leg, if some of you may or may not know, so I might steal his leg. I don't know, maybe he can't go to work tomorrow because I take his leg. So please, please, please comment below on how I can get Jared back, because this is not cool.